All right, so tonight I'm trying to fit this bumper on my car. This is a fiberglass bumper. I don't remember where Glass Tech, I think. This is actually the bumper off of Chief's car when he just had a Le Mans. I just cannot get it to fit right. It's been on here before, but it's never fit right. It always fits wonky. So I'm gonna make a little bracket to go up here. I don't like that nose gap. So I'm gonna make a little bracket to go like right here and hold this piece up right here. I made it so it bolts here and here and then on the bottom too, but I just do not like it. And then I started making these. I know my headlights are painted. I didn't care when I painted the car. I'm actually making block off plates for the two inside. Well, this side's going to have an inlet for my turbo. So that's in the works too, but probably will not happen before the No Name Nationals. I have the matching fiberglass lower valance, and I put it on too. I actually put these button lights in here, and then I have smoked Lexan that goes over there to cover up the marker lights. It looks really nice once it's on. I gotta fix a few things. In one of my other videos quite a while back, when I was putting the motor in the car, my cherry picker tipped forward and it cracked my lower valance and it broke my lower spoiler. So I have to address that. Well, I glued it and I made an aluminum one. Me and another guy at work made an aluminum one for it, which I'm hoping I can get on the car, but I'm running out of time. So I'm going to continue to try to fit up this front bumper and see how this goes. So I may have an idea here. Old rod bearing out of the LS. Why not? I think if we just squeeze that in a little bit. Now, I'm not expecting anybody to call me a genius, but if this works, this may be genius level stuff right here. Kind of scared me. Hoping that didn't go through there right into my intercooler. It's like 150% humidity tonight. This is ridiculous. All right, so before I tighten that up all the way, we're just going to see if that'll even work. Well, what do you know? Well, I'll be damned. That may actually work. Now, Just have to figure out this side. These cars, actually, even the steel bumpers from the factory never fit right. So, I mean, having a bumper that don't fit right on a Le Mans is nothing out of the ordinary. Especially since this car is like, you know, nothing on it's stock. It's all, everything on it's custom. So. I don't know how they had it mounted originally on his car. Not like I can just call him up and ask him. This bracket actually needs to go up on this side, but it can't. It's hitting my radiator core support. So I don't really know what to do about that. I may have to try to make some sort of tab like I used the old rod bearing, but on the sides. I think I'm gonna have to lower that centerpiece down though, because that's up too high. It's not. I don't know, I kind of like it like that though. It don't look quite as off like that, but it's kind of covering up the grills right there. So I guess, yeah, I guess I'll have to bring it all down some. This is what custom fab stuff's all about though. Trial and error, trial and error, trial and error. Keep trying stuff till something works, I guess. Man, I can hear a lot of purists right now crying because I just drilled a hole in this really nice rust-free steel nose. But half the crap I do makes somebody cry, so I ain't real worried about it. that really don't look too bad. So adjust that side a little bit, but I like it. I'll pull it back off, paint it. I said I gotta figure something out with this side over here because I don't like this. I don't like the way these sides fit. So I may have to make something for them to set on and hold them up in place. So I don't know. Yeah, it definitely needs to come up some. It's not bad. Not bad at all. There's the Punisher car with the bumper on it. All right, it's getting dark, so that's where I'm gonna stop for the night. But you can see what I'm talking about right there. Just kind of like to get that bumper gap lined up. That is the nice thing about fiberglass, though. I mean, I can tweak it a heck of a lot easier than I can a metal bumper. So that won't look too bad right there, actually. I might just make a little bracket to screw into and hold it in place like I did the other side and call it good, I suppose. That's it. Tomorrow we'll start fitting up the valance, I suppose. That's it for the night. So the front bumper is installed, painted, installed. End up having to put a couple screws in the side. I don't really like it, but it is what it is on my time constraint. And you really can't even tell from a distance anyway, so now time to put the lower valance on. Alright, got the lower valance fitted up. Actually don't fit too bad now. Figured out a few things on alignment. I still got a dumb little gap there. You can see the smoked lenses I made for it. I gotta hook up the button lights still, the LEDs, but man, that thing looks much better. Now I gotta get my lower first gen Camaro spoiler back on it. Alright, got one side of the lights wired up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wire up the other side. Get this stuff done. Make sure this light works real quick. And it does. Alright. So these are fairly simple to do. Just find my factory light plug, which it's in here somewhere. Ah, here we go. Let's see if it works. Marker lights are on. Turn signal works. Other turn signal works. Woohoo! All right, that's progress for the night. I think I'm, see what it looks like with the marker lights on. I don't know. Yeah, looks like my side marker ain't working though. That don't look too bad. I like it. All right, well that's it. All I got left to do, I gotta clean that, tuck the wiring, and put some sheathing stuff on it. But other than that, that's pretty much it. I gotta order a new front spoiler. We made this aluminum one, but it's just not gonna work, unfortunately. So that's one more project wrapped up. Looks a gazillion times better. So hope you guys liked the video. If you wouldn't mind, like, subscribe, and share to your buddies.